Paid too much money for this.
Well, hold on. I think my nuts are showing.
Just cover them up.
Yeah, bro.
It's like the fucking in Bad Grandpa where they had the sack of nuts.
Nah, bro, because whenever I'm sitting like that, bro, whenever I'm sitting like that, my freaking pants go like tight as fuck right here, and you can see my fucking nuts.
It's a boost nut.
Boost nut. Alright, so I need to stop for some water. I'm fucking dying of thirst, so.
Drink your spit.
Go for it, go for it. Actually, I have a bottle if you want it.
Oh, yeah, that's
Yeah, you can have
You
it.
got plenty.
Bitch, you got like half drunken bottles. But that's good. That's still love.
All right, so we're here. We are doing some rollers. We're gonna do some. We're doing a lot actually right now. We're about to do the rollers. Sorry, we're about to do the rollers. We just did some steel stuff, and yeah, I decided we should probably turn this into a behind-the-scenes vlog. So let's get going with that. Just use the gimbal. Just setting everything up so we can leave. Oh, he asked for a bottle of water too. Ah, there it is. Catch the bottle.
Hell yeah. I kind of got it.
I hope that didn't hurt. I'm sorry. It felt weird when I threw it. It was like, like I was saying earlier, we just finished the still stuff. Now we're about to start doing the rollers soon.
Straight imported from Japan, even though it's left-hand drive.
Yeah, Kim Jong-un did it. So
Oh,
I did the
Kim
left-hand. Yeah, I did the conversion.
The US conversion. Do you rub? Yeah. That's aggressive, yeah. I like it though.
What about I feel like in bumps? You know, rubbing. For real? I think I rub a lot in bumps. Actually, not on normal bumps, just if I'm taking a corner.
I got you.
Look how fucking. I like this part.
Yes,
Fitment.
Oh yeah.
Fitment.
That's how it is on my Type R. You have like credit card spacing.
I just got the new lug nuts.
Nice.
New lug nuts?
New lugs.
Team stable. Hey, is this your nitrous purge?
Yeah. You see a little. Should we get in that seat?
I already did. I already
For the vlog. For the vlog.
Don't take the seat. Don't take the serious that shit.
Oh, Chewy, that looked good on you.
I'm fucking snugging this shit.
Chewy, bro, that's private for you, bro. 50 years out. What? 50 years out. Nah, bro, it's just too hard for you. And
Yeah,
steering
bro.
wheel is on your stomach.
I can only drive,
Oh shit.
Bro, don't take it off. There's a little button on the side.
A86 spoon edition. So wait, will any steering wheel like fit any hub?
As long as they're both energies.
Got you. Oh, okay. Got you.
We have the same pictures.
Oh.
mine's limited edition, number 58 out of 100. You can afford this bow.
The puppy dog edition.
Ferrari.
Wait, does the horn work on your car? It works? What the fuck?
I heard the horn and I just thought it was like, hey guys.
Yeah, right. It's like, hey guys. It's a very legendary horn you got there. Oh, it really is numbered. Oh shit. Oh.
I wish it was the 69 one. He did a giveaway on it.
Are you ready?
Yep, I'm ready.
Huh?
Who we doing first? Who we doing first?
First. I mean, it don't matter what car. We should.
Okay, we can do this.
Ride with him or
Either or. I don't mind. I was gonna drive. Well, actually, I shouldn't, huh?
oh, you drive.
Yeah, because I'm doing rollers. Yeah.
Right. You want rollers of your trailer?
Nah.
He said that's the.
Nah, that's not yet. Yeah.
So actually, should we ride with Adriel? Take rollers.
Ride with you?
Yes, bro. Make my car look lower. Yeah. And then he'll get rollers of his car. And he'll get rollers of both cars. So should we get both of mine? Okay. Well, let's go. With my camera.
He has the 4-door. We could fucking probably.
Oh shit, that is true.
But at the same time, full disclosure, the more weight that gets added to the car,
The slower it is.
The lower it's
the
gonna
more
be.
it's going to drop.
The only person that you truly need is Cyrus in there, because then if Cyrus is in your car, then you can take rollers of all 3 cars at the same time.
I could,
True.
because I don't care. I mean, we look down the street for each other.
Critical
Yeah.
thinking.
All right, let's go.
Let's do it. Let me get my batteries. Let me put up my windows. Somebody please don't steal my hatch. All right, so quick update. We're headed to a new location because we're looking for a place where we can do 2 lanes, 2 cars next to each other, so we don't have to worry about going into opposing traffic. So right now we're headed down the street, well, kind of into the next town over, to go to the college. And so that way we have a lot more room. So we should be there shortly, and then I'll get back to the vlog at that point. This man, he disappeared in the bush. He's going to go pee.
So we'll do this one at a time.
I guess.
I think one at a time is best, because then we just. He's gonna go first. The fucking Volkswagen's gonna go first.
Go.
Because he has to go. In a little
Yeah, Bo has to go too soon. So is he pooping back there?
bit. I don't know what the fuck he's doing.
Oh, here he comes.
Hey, you spit on your hands and wash them?
Need some sanitizer? That's a nice setup right there. Oh, Christian getting them angles. That looks like it's Chewy's car. Let's go ahead and get him. Should I be in the taxi? Alright, go ahead and speed up. Alright, Booker's leaving us. He said he has to pee.
There's a lot of foliage out here that you can use for the bathroom.
A lot of trees to pee in. Oh, he's not coming. Oh, he's still coming. Yeah, Bo had to go.
Yeah, I know, man. It's all good. Were you telling me to like floor it right there?
Yeah, pretty much.
Okay,
go like, yeah, you did exactly what I wanted. All right, Booker left us. Chewie's driving. Hina. We're gonna get some rollers of the RSX right now.
I miss this so much.
Should get another.
I should get an EK. Another one. Come on! No AC?
No AC.
And mine did the same thing.
Bro, like it blows, but I don't have the system in there. Like it's just Take 3. New driver.
You never pulled up on midnight. You know I like my lipo, just right. On this side.
Yeah, if you want to. Or over there, doesn't matter. Wherever you like.
It'll work out here. No way stalled out. Did it stall out? Did it?
Alright, you know, your typical cop encounter. Everyone's heading out. We did pretty good. Closing out the vlog right here. This might be the end. I don't know. We'll see. I left my phone in Booker's car. So I'm gonna have to go back to Bo's house. Lucky he lives a few houses away. And then after that, I'll see you guys at the house and we can close out this video. Oh! 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 Oh my god. That's a wrap. Oh. Hey guys, and so that concludes the behind the scenes of Biteki 3. Just want to say thank you to everybody who let me record the car today. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you guys so much. It was really fun. Hope you guys had a good time too. Think you guys did. But just want to say thank you guys also for watching the video and also watching Biteki. If you haven't already, go check out SyriousMedia.com. Cop yourself a t-shirt, cop yourself something. We have hoodies coming next month, and we also have face masks coming next month. So stay tuned for those. And also, again, I appreciate you guys for watching the channel. I appreciate you guys for subbing, leaving comments, all of that. It really means a lot to me, and I really appreciate the support that you guys give me. It really does mean a lot. And also, if you guys want to be part of the Biteki series, preferably if you're in the Central Texas area, you know, like Killeen, Austin, all that jazz, hit me up. Maybe we can do something with one of your cars. It doesn't have to be a Honda. It can be anything. So with that being said, I just want to say thank you guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. I'm Cyrus, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.